dock. And don't forget to wave one of the naughty ones too. Santa knows that you did. Hope it was worth it. It's in the crate. Oh, that's disgusting. All right, make sure that lid stays on nice and tight. Anyways, folks, to increase your chances of survival today, we'll keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. We're not going to stand up, because really, who stands up on a moving boat? And parents, if you're traveling with small children, why? I'm sorry, supervise them, that's what I'm told to say. Well, folks, welcome to the world-famous Jingle cruise. I'm so sorry, that's my first Noel of the season. My name is Skipper Brandon. I'll be your tour guide today, your tree trimmer, your popcorn stringer, your stocking stuffer, and your secret Santa for the next 12 days and one silent night as we search the rivers of the world looking for our lost cargo that missed its mark. We need to begin our journey here in the Amazon rainforest. If you guys look over here to the side, you can see Inspiration Falls. Now, Inspiration Falls is called Inspiration Falls because it is so inspirational with its rushing and gushing water that it can inspire even the meanest of Scrooges to go. Yeah, a Christmas caroling, obviously, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, jingle cruise, jingle all the way. Nobody else is singing. This is just awkward. Okay, guys, you missed all your marks. Yeah, it did not sound very kind of flat on the high end. We got rehearsal next Thursday, so get it together. Now, folks, we've actually changed rivers. We made it here to the Congo River, deep in the heart of Africa. And don't worry, I checked the forecast. There's going to be no snow in Africa this Christmas time. But I did have the liberty, so thrown us a little holiday get together with some eggnog and pie. I prefer pecan. Oh, alright. Guess nobody showed up. Like my prom date. Must have ran off to do some last minute holiday shopping. You know those pygmies always one step ahead of the rest. Oh, look at that. I know what somebody's getting for Christmas. A really old tree all wrapped up with a boa on top. That's so sweet. Now, folks, at this point in the cruise, you're really asking yourselves why. Yeah, why did we hire gorillas to wrap all our presents? Well, I'll tell you, as you can see, their turnover is just fantastic. Really tearing through the orders. Honestly, if you ask me, it's just a bunch of monkey business, but you can't argue with the sales. They're bananas. Now, oh, that's interesting. We've actually made it here to the Nile River, the longest river in the world. In fact, it just kind of goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. It goes all the way up to the North Pole, comes all the way down, has its own ecosystem. Yeah, it's self-sustaining. Now, right over here is the second most feared animal in the whole entire jungle. Yeah, that is an African bull elephant. Now you're probably asking yourselves, ooh, if that's the first, if that's the second, what's the first? Well, it's over here. That is his mother-in-law. No, it's uninvited. It stayed for extended periods of time. Behind me, though, we do have Jingle Bell Rock. A lot of people take it for granted. I think it's one of our older attractions, but that's just my side of the train. Up here is our African bell, helps hold up the African pants ornamented for holiday animals, such as the long-necked reindeer, the reindeer that killed Mufasa, those reindeer with wings, and oh, look at that. Those lions invited the zebra over for Thanksgiving dinner. That is so nice. Oh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. That is a lot of cranberry sauce. Kids, he's sleeping. Yeah, sleeping. That's what we'll call that. Anyways, we're going to continue our little jaunty through the... Oh, wow. Okay. You know, that's a perfect example of why you never give a rhino fruitcake. Yeah, it looks like they got the point right in the end. Actually, those hyena up there, those are a special type of elf hyena. They're Santa's little yelpers. And now, folks, if you do look off on either side of the boat, down deep into the water there on either side of the boat, you guys are going to see absolutely nothing. It's because we normally have our piranhas there. They're off this time of year, celebrating their holiday Veronica, the Festival of Ice. Up behind me, though, is Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is actually named after our famed jungle navigation company founder, Dr. Albert. Falls, that's what it was, Albert Falls. Honestly, don't worry too much about it now. We'll go over it later. How about that? Yeah. Now, it's quite interesting. A lot of people ask me how I landed my job here in the jungle. I feel like it's, you know, kind of plain to see. I took a crash course ever since then, been winging it. Never took off like we wanted it to, but that's the tail end of that story. Oh, wow, that is really convenient, right? There's an airplane and airplane puns and... No, that's fine. Anyways, folks, alright. It looks like we are surrounded by a pool of hungry hippos, but do not lose your marble. You know, I probably should be a little more specific next year. My Christmas list really wasn't what I had in mind. It seems a little excessive if you ask me. Now, it's interesting. Some of these hippos are staying under the water like that. That's because in this chilly weather, well, they don't want to catch hypothermia, obviously. Alright, we're not out of the woods yet, and I can tell that. because of all the trees around us. I mean, how lovely are their branches? We are, though, headed into head hunter territory, home to many of your favorite holiday characters. Up ahead, we got Dancer, we got Prancer. Over here, we got the 12-foot drummer. Hey, wait a minute. Hey. No, there is supposed to be 12. You're missing 9. Where's the other? Okay, they all can't take a lunch. Fine, that's fine. Whatever, I'll be back in 10 minutes. There better be 12 of these Christmas carolers. Better get down. Pretend we're not home. Close the lights. Turn off the lights. Give them the making money. They won't go until they get some. They won't go until they get some. And we made it. And just in time for the 8th wonder of the world. The real reason you all came here today is the one. It's the only the backside of water. Oh my goodness, the backside of water. A true Boxing Day miracle, you know. It's like the front side is like Christmas, and the back side is like the day after, and then Boxing Day. You guys don't know what Boxing Day is, do you? It's fine, it's a Canadian thing, I think. Anyways, we've made it here to the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia. Up ahead is the entrance to Santa's Secret Southern Workshop. We're gonna pop in there, get our presents, and get on. Alright, I have never seen this entrance before. Should we go in? Sure, why not? I don't know how to reverse the boat. Alright, you guys better keep your eyes open. I'm gonna close mine. Now over here on this right side is Bartholomew. Now he was actually on the naughty list last year for spraying boats of water. This year he's trying to get on the nice list. He's thinking spray us. We're gonna sail on that boat. Duck. We're down. I don't care. Wow. He must have been frozen with fear, right? Didn't even move a muscle. You know, a lot of people think that's water coming out of his trunk, but it's not. Alright, well, I guess we got a little bit of a traffic jam up ahead of us, so we got some extra time together. How exciting. Anyways, I guess I can, I'm going to point out a few of my favorite, so you guys know. That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay, that's all. Any questions? No. Do you guys want to know the names of them? Sure. No. That one's Susan. That one's Jonathan. That one back there, that's Elise. And that one over there, guess what its name is? Fern. So it's a plant. That'd be weird if it had a human name or something. I can't tell you the scientific names of those plants. Interesting enough, I kind of know them. The ones up at the top of the canopy, those are the hibiscus. Yeah, the ones down here at the bottom, those are the lobiscus. This one over here, if you can see it, that's a sea hibiscus that's in the water. And that one up there with the bark, it's a dog hibiscus. That one back there with the bent stem, it was big in the 90s. It was called limp hibiscus. Oh, that one right there, that's actually only found in the South. Yeah, that's biscuits and gravy. My favorite one of all, because you can't see it, it's nunibiscus. Yeah. You know, funny enough, I was actually going to buy you guys all plants, I just never bought any. Yeah, because like the study of plants. You're shaking your head. It's funny, it's funny. little bit? Yeah, a little bit, that's fine. I mean, you got a Boston hat on, so that's probably why. Anyways, folks, a trip out here in the jungle is not complete without a visit by my good friend, Trader Samsa. Now, Trader Samsa is our head salesman out here in the jungle, and sales, they have been shrinking. So he does have a cutthroat deal, real holiday special right now. 3 of his heads for only 1 of yours. That's right, however you slice it, or dice it, you always come out ahead. Any takers? No, I figured. Just the other day, I was actually over at Trader Samsa's house for dinner with my girlfriend, and I said, Trader Samsa, your wife makes the most delicious stew. And he said, I know. But I'm going to miss her. Ooh, no, I'm kidding. It's a joke. I lied. Yeah, I don't have a girlfriend, so... thanks for laughing. Makes it feel better. Just don't be late to those dinner parties, though. He always ends up giving it the cold shoulder. Yeah, usually he likes to serve finger foods like shish kebabs, shishka steves, shishka pals, that kind of fun stuff. Yeah. Sometimes you can't trust them, though. You should probably always take them with a grain of salt, pepper, maybe a little side of sriracha, that kind of fun stuff. I can tell these cannibal jokes, they're tough to swallow. Do they leave a bad taste in your mouth? Is that what it is? Yeah, I guess you could say, I mean, people who eat vegetables are vegetarians, right? Would that make Trader Samsa a humanitarian? It's like that. No, I have no idea. Yeah. I mean, honestly, just don't invite him over to your house for dinner because he ends up bringing the whole family. There's just so much, yeah. But he does like the ones with earrings, though. They jingle all the way home. All right, well, folks, it does look like we're coming up on the return of Earth to civilization. As we do, though, just keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, keep an eye on those kids. And out the same door you came in on, it's still there, it still works. Do not cross over the creeks in the center. That is a one-way ticket to the naughty list. Folks, if you laughed today, thanks for laughing. If you didn't, thanks for leaving. You've truly been an outstanding group. And here in a minute, I'm going to need you outstanding on the dock. Obviously, this is like a one-time thing. You can't write again. Now, folks, if you laughed today, oh, I already said that. I don't know why I said it again. All right, well, that's enough of that. I'm on the river, honestly, on with jokes, obviously. I'm trying to repeat them. And we had a fun time doing it. I like to think we sailed that one river. We saw that one animal. Some other things happened we're not going to talk about. And that makes us like a family. So much like any little family, 10 minutes is way too much together. So get out. Yeah, that's me. Let me try that again. Where's my holiday spirit? Make like Santa. Leave my presents.